In previous releases of DraftSight, selected entities are displayed using a dashed line type. This often makes it difficult to visualize the selected entities, especially if you have zoomed out on your model or if your drawing contains many objects. In DraftSight 2018, entity highlighting has been improved with new functionality and color options. Hovering over objects will change their color to orange. And once selected, these colors will change to the color blue. This allows you to see which entities are selected quickly and precisely. To revert to the previous method of highlighting selected entities, go to the Manage tab. Click on Options, System Options, Display, and Element Colors. Finally, click on Use Dashed Entity Selection, and then OK. As you can see, selected objects have now reverted to the previous method of highlighting. Previously in DraftSight, when you copy and paste entities, they retain their layer properties. In DraftSight 2018, you now have an additional paste option, Paste on Active Layer. This allows you, as the name suggests, to paste entities on the active layer, regardless of the original entity properties. First, highlight the entities you want to copy and paste. Right-click and select Copy to Clipboard. Next, select the location where you want to paste the entities. Right-click and select Paste on Active Layer. As you can see, the pasted entities are now on the active layer.